Have you ever wondered how to take your yoga practice to a deeper level? Did you discover Yin Yoga, which is a process of really softening and slowing down our practice? That is already a sign that you're on the right path. Yin Yoga is an amazing restorative practice which helps us to go deeper into mindfulness, into present moment awareness. Yet, the majority of yoga teachers and schools are presenting rather physical benefits of Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga for opening your hips, Yin Yoga for releasing your shoulders. That is amazing, and it can save the day. If your shoulders and neck are tight, these Yin Yoga practices can definitely give you so many benefits in that direction, no doubt. Yet, at Akasha Yoga, we take the yoga practice, and here specifically the Yin Yoga exploration, to a much deeper level. Of course, we start with the basics of the physical body, how to address different target joints and areas in our body to open, to loosen, to release tensions. No doubt, this is amazing. Yet we also incorporate the energetics, like the meridian system from the Far Eastern TCM, the traditional Chinese medicine, as well as the Taoist philosophy, which supports this energetic system of the meridians. So that is also done by other Yin Yoga teachers. Here and there you find some meridian stretches, deep fascia, talk about the more profound functional anatomy with Tom Myers and how the fascia relates to the meridians, etc. This also other teachers are doing. Then it is common to leave it as such. Yet we at Akasha take it to a much deeper level. Not only mindfulness, which is occasionally included, but self-inquiry is an approach with which we are taking your Yin Yoga journey to the next level. So what is self-inquiry? The headline is the question, who am I? Or better said, what is the essence of my being? In the self-inquiry, we learn to question the foundations of our existence. We go deeper, beyond the physical and energetical, beyond the mindfulness of kind of individualized observing with my mind, beyond all those levels of body and mind, into the supreme essence of being. Self-inquiry takes us into the spiritual core of life. So we incorporate this practice of Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga is the yoga of wisdom. We incorporate this wisdom yoga into Yin Yoga. In this way, you will be meditating in the Yin Yoga poses. And that will allow you to observe the coming and going of different sensations, observing them with detachment, neutrality, and with a certain sense of serenity. Because it is not just a plain mindfulness, but it is a profound spiritual practice to take you into the essence of existence itself. So we're not just staying on the surface of physical body, energies, mind movements, but we go into the existential core of being. And we use the Yin Yoga practice to guide our practice, to give us content, framework, and in a way motivation to give space and time for this profound spiritual journey. So we encourage you to really take your yoga practice to the next level and even allow your Yin Yoga practice to take you into the wonderlands of consciousness. I'm very much looking forward to welcoming you to our special approach to Yin Yoga, which we are sharing in a 6-day Yin Yoga challenge, in a Yin Yoga teacher training, and in various other courses, YouTube videos where we share the heart of this practice. Looking forward to meeting you rather sooner than later for this heartfelt exploration. Loving wishes from Bali, and Namaste.